Meet the Xiaomi Robot Vacuum S40, Xiaomi's newest budget-friendly cleaner that promises big suction power and smart navigation, all at a surprisingly reasonable price. Now officially available in Europe and the UK, the S40 is priced at £169.99 in the UK and €199.99 in Germany. And yes, that includes free shipping. It might look simple, but this compact robot hides some serious tech under the hood. At its core is LiDAR navigation, the same laser-guided system found in higher-end models. It carefully maps your home for efficient room-by-room cleaning. The design is minimalist, and the charging dock, compact and discreet, perfect for small apartments or tight spaces. But the real star here is power. With 10,000 pascals of suction, the Xiaomi S40 easily tackles dust, crumbs, and pet hair, even from carpets. Its specially designed main brush minimizes tangles, and the side brush is hair-resistant, saving you from the usual maintenance headaches. On a single charge, it can run for up to 180 minutes. That's enough to cover most homes in one go. The 520-milliliter dustbin isn't massive, but considering its compact design, it gets the job done. Just remember, there's no self-emptying feature, so you'll need to empty it manually every few sessions. As for mopping, let's keep expectations realistic. The S40 drags a damp cloth behind it for light cleaning, ideal for removing surface dust or minor spills. But there are no rotating pads or deep scrubbing action here. Think of it as a finishing touch rather than a full mop replacement. For the price, the Xiaomi Robot Vacuum S40 strikes a smart balance: strong suction, efficient navigation, and essential functionality without the luxury price tag. It's the kind of robot that simply gets the job done, quietly, efficiently, and affordably. If you're after a dependable cleaning companion that won't break the bank, the Xiaomi Robot Vacuum S40 might just sweep you off your feet.